Welcome to Endone, guys. This channel is going to bring you the latest news, tips, and tricks to help you make the most of your Android devices. Today's video is about what to do when your Android phone dead screen. Here's how an Android phone user describes the issues from the forum. My Android smartphone screen went completely black and unresponsive. Luckily, the phone still works. I wanted to salvage my problem before getting a new device. So, I connected the phone to a USB port and tried to access my files from my PC. However, I was unable to allow the phone to access the PC because the screen was black and unresponsive. Can I fix Android phone with dead screen? How? We understand that you might be facing the same problems when you reach here. No need to panic when an Android phone dead. To save you out, we'll explain why and how to fix the problem to get your device working again. Cause 1. The battery is dead. The solution here is to charging your Android device. When the battery of an Android device runs out, the Android phone is dead. The Android device only displays a black screen, which makes people think that the Android phone is dead. To eliminate this problem, please charge the Android phone for at least 1 hour, then try to turn on the phone again to see if the problem is solved. Cause 2. Loose connection. The solution here is to gently press the phone. The display screen is connected to the phone itself in some way. When a connection is loose, the Android phone device will also experience Android phone death. Fortunately, this method can fix it. Please gently press the front and back and both sides of the Android phone to try to temporarily connect it. If this method works, you need to take the phone to the after-sales service center and let the technician help you fix the connection. If it doesn't work, continue to try the following method. Cause 3. Software errors. The solution here is to force restart your Android phone. When the above two methods fail to fix dead Android phone problems, it may be caused by a temporary software error. The best way to clear temporary software errors is to force restart your phone. We have listed the steps to force restart phones from common brands. If it does not cover your brand, please comment below and we will show you the detailed steps. To force restart a Samsung Galaxy, Oppo or Vivo phone, press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time for about 10 to 15 seconds. When you see the brand logo, release the buttons. To force restart a Google Pixel smartphone, press and hold the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds. When you see the brand logo, release the buttons. To force restart a Huawei, OnePlus or Xiaomi, press and hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time for about 10 to 15 seconds. When you see the brand logo, release the buttons, wait for your Android phone to restart and hopefully your Android phone screen will be back to normal. Cause 4. Application conflicts. The solution here is to start safe mode. You can recall whether there are any applications in your Android phone that have not been used for a long time or are too old. If your Android phone has this situation, there is a certain probability that the Android phone will die due to the large gap between the application and the Android system version. To rule out this possibility, the best way is to start the safe mode of the Android device. Safe mode will start your phone without running any third-party applications. If the dead screen problem does not occur in safe mode, it is because the third-party application is incompatible or malfunctioning. To try the solution, follow these steps. Turn off your Android phone. Press and hold both the power button and volume up button until you see a menu screen like this. Use the volume button to choose the safe mode and confirm by pressing the power button. Wait for your Android phone to boot in safe mode. If your Android phone display works fine in safe mode, find and remove the app you suspect may be causing the Android phone dead screen. Once done, press and hold the power button and tap restart to restart the phone back to normal mode. Cause 5. Unknown fault. The solution here is to return to factory settings. This measure is a little bit drastic, because it needs to clear away the malware along with all your stored data and content on the device. But if you have backups, then feel free to try it as it's an effective step to remove all kinds of software-related errors and revive the system. We'll show you how to do that. Turn off your Android phone or wait for the battery to run out of power. Connect your phone to a computer with a USB cable. The next step is to enter recovery mode. It helps you access the phone's system settings stably even when you're dead Android phone. This is an official troubleshooting mode, so it's safe to try. Now, follow the corresponding steps for your Android phone brands to enter recovery mode. In a Samsung Galaxy phone, press and hold the power button, volume up button, and home button simultaneously until the Samsung logo appears. Use the volume buttons to navigate to the wipe data, factory reset option and use the power button to select it. Then, choose yes to trigger the reset process. In a Google Pixel phone, press and hold the power button and volume down button simultaneously until the Android mascot appears. Use the volume buttons to highlight recovery mode and use the power button to select it. When the Android robot with a red exclamation mark appears, press power button plus volume up button. Then, use volume buttons and power button to select wipe data, factory reset option to trigger the reset process. In a Huawei or Honor phone, press and hold the power button and volume up button simultaneously until the Huawei logo appears. Then, use the volume buttons to navigate to the wipe data, factory reset option and use the power button to select it. Next, select yes to trigger the reset process. Finally, wait for the phone to boot up and see if the Android phone dead screen issue is fixed. Cause 6. Hardware damage. The solution here is to go to the after-sales service center. If all the above methods fail to fix Android phone died that won't turn on, it may be that your hardware is damaged, such as the screen, motherboard, sensor, etc. You need to take the phone to the after-sales service center and let the technician help you further check the problem. That's the end of the video. If you still have questions about your device, type them down in the comments. If it helps you fix a dead Android phone that won't turn on, feel free to give this video a like, and also comment below to tell us which method works. Alright now, don't forget to subscribe to Endone and turn the notification bell on to stay tuned with our latest uploads. Thanks for watching this video and hope you have a good day.